Today I'm going to teach you about the MakerBot 3D printer and the Prusa 3D printer. Now the MakerBot 3D printer is a bit easier to use than the Prusa, but this one can create 3D prints at a bit more of a faster pace. While the Prusa does take its time, the end results are a bit more smoother compared to the MakerBot. Now the MakerBot, the filament is right here, and this is interchangeable. And the filaments you'll be able to find in this drawer. We have multiple colors here. And for the Prusa, the filament is right here. It's also interchangeable from this drawer right here. This is all the stuff that is specifically for the Prusa. So the Prusa uses a more smaller filament type, while the MakerBot is bigger. Now right here are the settings on the MakerBot. So when you're ready to print something, you select this. And typically you will save your designs on a USB and plug it in right here. And you will use that through the MakerBot application on a computer. So when you go back, if you want to change out your filament, there's a specific button right here that you click. And it tells you exactly how to unload filament and how to load in filament. Fairly simple. And then your other settings are on here. The extruder is right here, and it will also tell you how to use it, say if it's jammed or you need to change it. Now these right here are the websites that you can use to find different 3D models to print out. So right here are the pre-made ones. And right here are the make your own websites, so that means that you can make your own 3D prints.